What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Barry Production here. Today we're going to be working on my buddy Carlos's 2002 Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. We're going to be putting a new exhaust on it today. He should be here any moment now. So we're going to go ahead and get ready and get him taken care of. Come check it out. Alright, bro. Here with my boy Carlos today. We're going to be working on his Dodge. What do you got here, bro?
We're gonna make this bitch loud is what's gonna happen.
Hell yeah. What Dodge is this?
It's a Dodge Ram 2500 2002. It's a 5.9 24 valve diesel.
Diesel, boy. We're gonna be putting on his exhaust kit here today. What brand is this?
MBRP. It's a 4-inch.
Sweet, man. This is gonna sound awesome and look awesome.
Hell yeah.
Gonna replace this old exhaust here. So you can see it's got some work on it.
It's okay, it'll pass emission.
Yeah, alright. I'll hold that up there real quick.
Got you.
I'm gonna get on the ground and spray up at it too.
It's okay, I'm going to lay back right here.
Right here. Good?
Good.
It's good.
Sand it.
It's very good. I'm about to see what happens here. I don't know with how rusted they are though.
It'll come off.
I hope so.
It should.
That's the plan. That's the plan stuff. Alright, old girl. Don't fail me now.
Well,
That was a lot of rust.
clearly.
Woo, she's smoking, boy.
Well, it came off.
Sure did.
You just gotta, it's like when you're grinding without glasses, just close your eyes.
Yeah, you don't got glasses on, so you close your eyes.
Yes, coach.
That one don't come off as easy. As a matter of fact, I was bending the whole bracket when I was hitting it.
Oh, damn.
All that rust.
But
Yep. Don't let it slip off.
well, it slipped off like. There you go.
There you go. She's smoking.
Get off! Well, I'm not gonna touch it. So.
So we got 3 out of 4 nuts off so far. One of them stuck. We're about to try and get the last 2 off.
Right.
Well, the last 2 at the end, and then we got 2 more at the top still by the turbo. So hopefully we can get these damn things off.
All right.
Carlos over here with the big guns.
A huevo.
Wash your ojos.
It's okay. We have eye protection.
Yep.
It's spun, but
Yeah, it's free. Just pull the socket off, and you're gonna have to spin the bolt. Oh, maybe it's a little stuck. Try and do it again. There you go. Alright, so we were able to get that last rusted bolt off. We have to pull the hangers off now. We got 2 more bolts at the turbo. So now I'm going to work on
removing exhaust.
removing the whole exhaust. We gotta take these hangers off right there, and then we should be able to slide it out, pull the muffler off piece by piece, but we will see.
I mean, we got this. We got this.
So this is just straight silicone spray. Go ahead and spray that on the rubber bushing itself.
So right here.
Yep, spray it like where the exhaust goes in it. The bracket.
Right here.
Yep, spray her. Get her good. That'll help it slip out. That's probably plenty right there, bro.
Okay.
And then Yep, so you're gonna basically have to kind of manhandle it to pull it off. So I can get you a flathead too. That would help.
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay. Can you get it in?
I'll fucking make it. Ah. Okay. Alright, you son of a bitch.
Can you pry and pull on the exhaust at the same time? There it is.
Ah!
Yep.
Oh,
Knuckle buster.
that was finger buster, not the knuckle. And who calls me on the toilet? Bye!
Alright guys, so I had to run and grab a Sawzall from my dad because I don't know where my 4-inch grinder is. We got to cut the exhaust off because
this son of a bitch rusted.
it is rusted on even after loosening the clamps. The exhaust is what basically rusted to each other. So we're going to cut it off.
Walk it. Alright, you're alive.
Alive?
You're alive, mijo.
Okay. No powers. Hold on.
God damn it.
Take 5.
Take 2.
Take 2.
Watch, no power again.
We got power now.
Oh, okay.
So this shit don't fall on me. Alright, y'all. She's free. We just cut her free. Alright, you're gonna have to pull her your way.
Okay.
And maneuver. Actually,
Or push to you?
let's put it on the ground. I might be able to flip it over this way and slide it up. So. Oh, and I didn't even record any of that. Nice. Anyways, guys, so we just got the exhaust out. Take two. Everything was rusted, so we just went ahead and cut it out. If he needs to put it back on in the future for emissions, he's just gonna have to get it welded or get a little extension on there put on. But we're getting close. All right, guys. Unfortunately, we didn't record this part. The last 2 bolts on this turbo, coming off of it right there to the exhaust going down, they were super rusted on. We sprayed it. We hit it a couple times. Wouldn't come free. Didn't think we had the right socket, but eventually we got it on there and we were able to break it free. Now Carlos gets to get under there and get the last bushing off.
You bet your ass.
And pull the rest of that out.
Oh.
Alright. Carlos is trying to pull this bracket off. The last bushing that's in here.
Where'd you put that hammer?
Which one?
Mine. This shit is free, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's all free. There should be nothing else holding it besides that.
Does not feel like it's moving, that's why.
Well, it might be kind of stuck up here, too.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I have not. He just talks about it a lot. I was like, okay.
I think there's one up here.
Yeah. He lives up here that time.
Oh, for real? Alright, well, I'm trying to hammer on this. Try and wiggle it, too, if you can.
Okay.
It's gonna be a bitch, dude. Nothing?
Nothing.
Oh. There goes that little piece again.
Yeah. True. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, we finally got the whole old exhaust system out. This was the last piece that we had to follow. Downpipe. This piece was super stuck on to the exhaust side of the turbo.
Fuck that piece.
We ended up just cutting the little bracket off because we were fighting that down there too. But we're ready to put the new stuff on. So let's get at it.
Let's get it. Times easier.
Alright. What's that?
This is 200 times easier.
Yeah, because there's not so many bends. So right now I got Carlos putting the down pipe, sliding it up so I could grab it. Should be coming up here. Got our bolts.
Did I miss? Hold on. Here, I could back up a little bit.
Yeah, can you back up a bit?
There we go.
Okay.
Ah,
Yo, Carlos.
did I get you?
Yeah, you pinched my finger.
I'm sorry, bro. Are you okay?
Yeah, you got it good.
Ah, I'm really sorry, dog.
You're good. So.
Let me see.
You just got it right across the nail.
Oh, sorry, dog.
You're good.
Just
Don't push until I tell you push.
Okay, okay. Okay, man.
Son of a bitch.
I'm really sorry, dog. I did not want to do that.
You're good.
There we go. All right, on this episode, as you can see, Mike is loosely putting in them bolts. You can see his hand right there.
I'm trying to get it in.
Is it in yet?
Finger didn't hurt so bad right now.
I wonder why. I'm sorry. Where's the mic stand? Glasses.
Alright, we got the up pipe bolted on. Those two bolts were a lot harder to get on this time since it's a 4-inch exhaust now. So it left very little room up there. Had to get the wobbly socket on it. And then
Got this long piece now.
getting ready to get the next pipe put on. Work our way down.
Yeah. Next. Right. Actually, doesn't even. Okay, it hurts. Get in there.
Is that one a lot tighter?
Oh wait, hold up.
Might need to flip it around.
Yeah, this is a lot tighter.
It's tighter on that side?
Oh, both.
Alright guys, it's definitely been a pain, but finally got the last pieces to the exhaust up. Carlos is going back through, tightening them all down, and the whole exhaust system is done now. We had to fight the bracket a little further back on one of the clamps, so it was a little off. I don't understand what's up with that. Manufacturer defect or something. But she's gonna sound like a beast, baby.
Yup. Last part, the tip.
Last part, getting the tip on him.
You can see we've had quite the battle.
Yeah, we're quite dirty. It'd be nice to go home and well, him go home and shower. I just gotta go inside and shower.
Must be nice, asshole.
You're good right there, bro.
Even Steven?
Ain't going nowhere.
I bet. Now the best part.
Alright guys, got the tip on. Got 4-inch pipe all the way back.
Here's my bag.
It. Got the 4-inch pipe all the way. turbo back. Alright, let's get all the tools out. Alright guys, as you can see, Carlos, come here, turn around. Turn around. We went to war with this truck. I mean, it's been a pain. We got it done though. Fought some bolts. As usual with doing an exhaust. Some rusted ass bolts, but somehow we managed it. And we got it all taken care of. So, what we're about to do now is we're about to fire this pig up and hear how loud she is. But first,
fuck.
cheers, man.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely, bro.
Stay away.
All right.
Ready?
Yo. She's a monster. Oh yeah. You're good, bro.
Fuck yeah.
Tell me how you really feel, bro.
Dude, happy as fuck.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
She's screaming, man. I knew it was gonna be loud, but damn.
That tip makes a difference.
Alright guys, as you can see, that was another successful exhaust install. She's a monster, man.
Oh, hell yeah,
She
dude.
sounds mean. He's gonna have some fun going down the road.
Bet your
But
ass.
again, guys, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Subscribe and share. Straight, left, right.
Go right. Alright guys, we taking her for a spin.
Oh fuck, man.
Go left.
Damn. Oh hell yeah.